Yes, Iyah. Boy, I'm going to tell you about water forceful. Yeah. I'm going to tell you. The world famous Marthabury River, brother. I'm going to tell you. Yeah. A long time when I come up here anymore. Today I come here, me. Yeah, man. Good morning, viewers. On the voice of Bed Miller. Boy, I'm going to tell you. I'm going to tell you. You have to stand up firm in this river, here, brother. Yeah, man. The river is coming down, but as I say, always nice to be alive, brother. Get up in the morning in the seat. Yeah, man, and be one with Mother Nature. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, because in the Bible in top of the river, man. By the rivers of Babylon. Yeah, man. River, they're not God creation, brother. Boy, I'm going to tell you, say, no. You don't want to wash me, brother. I think I get forceful. The bicycle in I want to ride, so I go wash the bicycle in. But if you come in, I make all Falmoutians know all over the world. Say, boy, the place is nice. Yeah, man, Falmouth nice, brother. Yeah, man, that's our political leaders, they might mess up the thing in such a way, brother. Jamaica nice. And Jamaica the best place to live. You go on, you know, say, boy, you do your thing, and you make your money, and you spend your money wisely, invest your money in a seat, in your business, in yourself, and your family, and even the friends more time, article friends where you can help. And let me tell a man, say, oh, me not left Jamaica so easy. I only say I don't go far and go shopping and so forth, you know. Yeah, man, but Jamaica is my home, the life. Yes, I live. I left for so good nowhere. Yeah, man. In piece of paradise, man. You know, see, paradise. So, I don't want people to know, see. I'm going to few parishes you can have. Like the capital, Falmouth, you know. You have a nice beach of Falmouth. And the river. I just a stone throw away. In a seat. Because from Falmouth to Marthabury, there's a stone throw away. So if you buy it, if you car, you can just come a river. So it's a Falmouth one blessed place, brother. I be say yes, man, Marthabury was the first capital of Trelawney, you know. I say go? Marthabury. First capital of Trelawney. Yeah, man. Glad to know, say, boy, you can live, you get out of free, you know, lockdown. That's what I tell you, say, boy, back in the days, you know, before everything, you couldn't come on the river, no beach, nothing at all, but now, I tell them, man, I can't, the river is so forceful, I can't go in the center of the center. Yeah, man, you can always wash me away. But as I say, a nice feeling, man. Nice to be alive, man. Yeah, man, that's why I keep my circle small, you know. Me, myself, and I. And Jesus. Yeah, man. Come on, and live as long as possible. Yeah. In a seat. Because my mother used to tell me, say, man, life begins at 40, you know. But for me, life begins at 70. So yeah, some man a plan for your dead when I'm 70. And when I'm 70, I'm going to start live life, you know. You feel it's a joke. Yeah, man. And when I'm 70, I'm enjoy my life, you know. Because I go rich, you know, man. I'm born for rich, you know. But I go rich slowly. And live long. Because nothing wrong with being rich, you know. But what I do to get rich? Yeah, man. Although David said in the Psalms, man will live 3 scores and 10. Me not plan to live 3 scores and 10, brother. You plan to live forever. You can manage, imagine David and him man in a seat, in a my age now. The man is young and strong same way. All the great man in the Bible. Abraham and him man there, in my age now. When the man they are 70. Me 70 now. Me is not 70 now. Me go talk, imagine David and Abraham, Jacob, Isaac, all them man there. Live behind, most of them man live behind 100. 100 and odd. Imagine a man at 70 years old. What David talk about man to live. Man to live 3 scores and 10. No, but David can't tell me that. Me not on 3 scores and 10 things. Jesus said me come to live forever, so I want to live to see Jesus. That's all. Me want to live to see. So I want to live as long as possible. So my mother used to tell me that life begins at 40. No, for me no, life begins at 70. Because I'm a 70-year-old. I really come and play the same way and enjoy Mother Nature. Big up yourself. Big up yourself, Vivian. Mr. Ochi. Your man in the 80s. Your man at the Garrett. Grandfather. The man in the 80s, the man is still healthy, same way. So all of them reach 80 years old, I want to be at them place the same way. In a seat. If you can ride come here, you see me drive come here. And enjoy Mother Nature. That's the key out of foolishness, you know. Yeah, man. Now follow no man and try to get rich quick. In the seat and die trying. Get rich quick and die and trying. Oh. In the seat. Money is not all for me, no brother. Life is all for me. So I just use my God-given talent and ability. Yeah, man, for make my money. I don't kill my brother and my sister. So I don't tell already, man. Every man can hurt a brother and sister. No matter your skin color, you know. All the way, you know. I don't think we just love, you know. As I say, this is the voice of Bed Miller. I never really plan to really do a long speech thing, but you know what I say? You have to talk, you want to listen. But this is Mother Nature, brother. This is Marthaby River. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, man, the bike there. The bike park up ready for wash, you know. Wash the bike, you know. Yeah, man. So I say now, my friend in from St. Elizabeth, in the seat. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, my state friend them from St. John and all over St. Elizabeth. See Marthaby, see the world famous Marthaby, yeah? Yeah, man. Yeah. The world famous Marthaby River. Can't stop flow. Tourists come all over the world to come raft on the Marthaby River. And Marthaby River in the morning, in a Sunday morning. Yes, Iyah. Life nice. Yeah, man. Life nice, brother. Yeah, man. See the son of people they say, Mother Nature at its best. Some want to live. You see, I'm bag of man, I'm bag of man, and I'm following them bag of man and all them. Say, me alone, and me, myself, and I am Jesus. I saw my circle right now. Things and time it gets so wicked in this earth right now. And nobody can take Jesus from me. Nobody can take Jesus from me. They call him Jesus. Some people call him other name. Yeah, man. And my friend, man. And my empowering P, that brother. Nothing we go through enough things in life. You see it? I'm still alive, see me? Just because of Jesus. I say, boy, oh. So me now follow no man. and try to get rich quick and die trying. As I say, for me, life begins at 70s. So when some people are put on our money for your funeral, you see, for bury themselves because they feel by 70 they go, you see, yeah. Now I'm gonna put on money for them that brother. I'm gonna put on money for funeral and for burial. You see it? Yes. Yes, you come from out of the earth, you know, but I don't go back on the earth so easy, you know. No, brother. I don't go back on the earth so easy. I come to live as long as possible, health before wealth, to keep the circle, do honest work with people. I don't go on general people and con people and take people money and deliver their work. You know. I always deliver my work. So big up all who support me in the graduation season now. I now start bigging up. As I say, yeah. Yeah, I'm going to sign off now. But this is the voice of Bread Miller at the world famous Martha River. I come here, a long time I come here now. But I will start coming regular. So sometimes I have anything to voice out, I just come do me voice out pan, you see it? You see it? Pan Mother Nature. Yes. All my children and friends them all over the world. And Martha River me there. All the children and friends them, you see it? And matter of fact, and sent the friend them. I'm out, everybody. To the tune up on the voice of Bread Miller. This is the Martha River. I'm out now. Yeah, I'm going to wash my bike now. Yes, Iyah, the world famous Martha River. You can't stop the flow. You can't stop the river from flow. And God make it, you know. You go always flow, you know. People go dead and gone, you know. And the river go there, see me, you know. This is God creation. This is creation. This is life. This is life, you know, brother. You know, see it. God make the rivers and the sea and the still stay, man. And much man dead and gone and the river, the man see them there, see me. I say I want to flow like River Jordan. There's a flow like the Martha River with life. Non-stop liberty. So don't go and kill off yourself to get rich. That is not me. Me, life begins at 70. Can you imagine Abraham, Moses, and all of them man at 70 years old. The man are strong and young and fresh. Yeah, man, they are God people. So as I say, I'm out here now. I'm really out here now. So the vibes give me a go and talk. So I'm going to wash the bicycle. Yeah, man, I'm going to wash my bike now. Yeah, man, I'm going to wash. Yeah, man. You can watch Big B now. And Big B, me call him now. Yeah, man. Big B. Yeah, man, watch Big B now. Yeah, take us and see. And I take a get on the water. And head back to Falmouth. Yeah, man. So I'll tell you for me today. Today a KFC Sunday now. Every Sunday I got KFC now. Today a KFC Sunday. KFC is my favorite. Yeah, man. Favorite chicken. Favorite fast food restaurant, man. Fast food place, KFC. Every Sunday I got KFC. Yeah, man. So I wash my bike now. And straight to KFC. Yeah, man, for the KFC Sunday. Yes, Iyah. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm going to post it. I'm going to tune in canvas. The voice of Bella. Yeah, man, the voice of Bread Miller, brother. The world famous Martha River, man. Not even want to stop video thing. Yeah, man, it nice. Life, man, life. Mother Nature. It's forever. Yeah. No money can buy this. Life. Everlasting flowing life. You can't stop that. Yeah. Yes, Iyah.